We have with us BJP spokesperson Ratna Singh. So coming to you, Ms. Singh, you have heard Ripun Bora. He seems very confident of winning this election. So what do you have to say on this, Ms. Singh?
All the best to Ripun Bora ji. But I think, correct me if I'm wrong, because I feel Mr. Ripun Bora, the president of the Congress, Assam Pradesh Congress Committee, I feel hardly he has canvassed outside his constituency. That means he's just believing in saving his own seat, and how insecure he is, the president of the Congress. And I think 1 month or just a few days back, 1 month I think, there was a press conference in Rajiv Bhavan, and by chance the mic was open, on, the audio was on. And then there was a conversation which was recorded between Gaurav Gogoi and I think the president, Mr. Ripun Bora,
yes,
where he was assuring and giving so many promises, and then Mr. Gogoi was asking, this Gaurav Gogoi was asking him, what about the authenticity and whether we'll be able to fulfill. He says, then Ripun Bora says, able to promises hoy, alop pisot manu pahuriye jabo election or pisot, something that type of thing was there, and he talks about 5 guarantees. Gaurav Gogoi talks about 5 guarantees. Now I tell, what guarantees Congress is going to give. Congress is not going to give those guarantees, but the guarantees which Congress will give is of corruption, communalism, infiltration, violence and more terrorism. Last 15 years which they were ruling, and then 2016 BJP came to power, the 15 years of Congress saw terrorism, corruption, APSC, so many. And if you all permit me few seconds, then I just want to enumerate few datas which will signify and glorify the corruption of the Congress.
Right.
4 lakh fake job cards during Congress regime, Akan Bora Social Welfare Department, 2.63 lakhs fake ration cards during Congress, 70,000 fake name in Briddha pension scheme, and the list is exhaustive. Now let me say that they give this guarantee, I will give this, I will give that, but their corruptions, it's a big history, a big story can be written. So Congress is a fake guarantee, they never give guarantee and they never fulfill it. In Punjab, which is having a Congress regime, and in Punjab, recently when there was an election and Kejriwal, they're, the ally of their friend of Congress, and they were contesting against each other recently in the last month election which was held. Kejriwal was telling that Amrinder Singh, the Congress, he had given assurance 20 lakh job guarantee, and a card was distributed in 20 lakh homes of Punjab, and till now not a single person job has been availed. He talked, Amrinder Singh from Congress in Punjab, they gave a guarantee of providing, loans, waiving of loans. No loan has been waived off. So I am telling the Congress, wherever they are, they give fake guarantees. See Rajasthan, see Punjab, see Madhya Pradesh. Initially when Kamal Nath was there, he gave a promise of waiving of the loan. And when he was there for few months, hardly any loan was waived in Madhya Pradesh, in Rajasthan. And the story of Punjab is pathetic. Drug abuse, drug problem, so many things, terrorism, violence, and so many. It is the BJP government which has given clearly stability, suraksha, samriddhi or sanskriti. We believe in that, and we are taking Assam to the path of progress where we all Assamese will combine together and join the march in India's progress of Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Right, as you've mentioned about a former Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Kamal Nath, he was here in Guwahati yesterday for campaigning for Congress candidates. Yes. And he also very clearly mentioned that BJP is leading people on the basis of nationalism. This is the statement given by former Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh Kamal Nath yesterday.
And
what do you have to say on this?
One thing I just want to say also, Mr. Ripun Bora was telling that there was no Modi wave. Modi wave, Modi has come as a wave, and the wave goes back, na? The wave did not go back. The wave is staying in the heart and soul of people, concretized. Modism is concretized now in the souls of the people of India. People of India, and especially Assam, the people have seen the progress. The people have seen the connectivity. People have seen the roads. People have seen the bridges. From going to Assam to Nagaon, Guwahati to Nagaon, it used to take, how many hours? But now if you go, hardly it takes much time. At the same time, you see the roads. Every by-lanes, path and the roads of Guwahati and Assam has been concretized. We are having eight concrete pools now. 70 years there were only 2 pools, and now you see how many of them. 26,000 kilometers of road has been made, and the National Highway Authority of India is doing miracle by constructing 40 kilometers of road per hour per day, in fact. So now one thing also arises since this phase of election.
All right. Ms. Singh, actually, it's very interesting that you bring up these points because, at this point in time, we have a very senior Congress leader, Mr. Pawan Singh Ghatwar, joining us over the phone. Mr. Ghatwar, thank you very much for giving us your time on this very important day for the entire state. Mr. Ghatwar, there have been several allegations against the Congress. One of those being, of course, that, the 5 guarantees that the Congress keeps talking of. These 5 guarantees are actually a sham. And this is what senior BJP leaders have also been saying time and time again. And also, of course, this is something that has been reiterated by the top leaders of the Saffron Party. What are your thoughts on this at this point in time, Mr. Ghatwar?
You see, the 5 guarantees given by the Congress, we have done our homework, and definitely the government, the Congress government coming, definitely they have to implement this, and for that all exercise has been done. So I don't think that as opposition, as usual, they criticize the but that the well thought scheme that has given to the people of Assam and seek their blessing in this election.
Right, Mr. Pawan Singh Ghatwar, I must reiterate here, there have been a lot of talk regarding the 5 guarantees of the Congress, and it's what the people are calling the 5 guarantees, that they are the guarantees of corruption and terrorism, and not what the Congress leaders are actually putting forth. So, is this something that you really take, is this something that is very serious on the agenda of the Congress?
Yes, so we are very serious on the agenda of the Congress. I don't think this 5 guarantee has anything to do with the corruption. And I don't think the BJP has any moral authority to question on the ground of corruption to the Congress party. I don't think that this is our well thought scheme given to the people of Assam, and nothing is there for in regard to the corruption.
All right, Mr. Pawan Singh Ghatwar, very quickly, what would be your appeal to the voters at this point in time? Today, we have seen a very sizable number of voters turning out to vote. At this point in time, any last message you would like to give to the voters?
You see, for any proud Indian, it is a very important moment. And I will appeal everybody to come and vote, cast their vote. Because this is the festival of democracy, and everybody should participate. I am in Dibrugarh district. I am very happy to say that there is no untoward incident anywhere, and large number of people in the village and in the tea garden area turning out for casting their vote, and that is very good to see.
All right, Mr. Pawan Singh Ghatwar, thank you very much for joining us here at this point in time and sharing your thoughts on this very important day for Assam.